Guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. So today we are trying something different. We have a diorama to build. Now this is a mecha piece from mecha. It's a predator, a statue or something like that, so it's got the predator head and the face hugger and all that stuff on it. So what this guy wants me to do is, and I'll post up pictures of it after, what he wants me to build for him, is 4 of these, plus a stand and all that. So let me just turn you around and show you what I'm going to do here. All right, so what I did was I took some clay and I ended up putting it on there and then pulling it off. It has the reverse, so this one's like, these guys are sticking out, but here they aren't. They get pushed in, right? So that's okay, because what I did was I balled up some clay and then I sort of made the same kind of thing with paint and all that. I mean, it's not going to look perfect exactly, but it's going to look okay. And then some of them cracked, which is okay because I want this to look, you know, rustic, ancient and all that stuff. So what I ended up doing was putting some Mod Podge on it after it dried. This one I kind of put it on it while it's drying to see what's going to happen. And then let it dry completely. Mod Podge dries clear, obviously. Like I said, some of them cracked, which will be okay. And they're kind of bumpy and all that. So when it goes on to these forms, I'll be able to add stuff between them and all that, and paint them up, and then maybe some resin. So that's pretty much where we're at. So yeah, we'll catch up on part 2. This is the starting of the pillar. So there's a lot of gaps and cracks, but that's gonna get all filled in. So I just wanted to show you, I'm making this more of a jungle setting on this side. That's the original one. And this is one where we're just going to go all the way around with, you know, amounts. Because like I said, we're going to fill the gaps in. We're going to highlight the images more. Because like I said, these are sunk in. These are pulled out. So this is just one. And I still got 3 more to go. So, and then plus the other sides. You can see the big gaps that I have in there, which will be filled in with like kind of growth. All right. So this will be part 1. We'll see you on part 2. Remember, if I could do it, you can do it. Choose your own path. Thanks for watching.